Zimbabweans vowed on Saturday to mount a sustained campaign against President Mnangagwa's constitutional overhaul, warning that a bitter political crisis is entered a dangerous new phase following a state crackdown on a nationwide protest. Sabina mashkubdani kwa pangwa ili ndo subscribe wale on the bell icon. Tina takabata na daily na chiti. The declarations came a day after heavily armed security forces flooded major urban centers to block a planned national stairway. The show of force failed to hide the deep friction sparked by Constitutional Amendment Number 3, signed quietly into law by President Mnangagwa on July 7. The legislative package has united opposition parties, lawyers, civic groups under the Sunga Noivano. The charges hollow out judicial independence and extend executive power. The government maintains the reforms are lawful and dismissed the opposition outcry, though Reuters could not independently verify all accounts of state intimidation. Stepping up the pressure, former Finance Minister Tendai Biti accused Mnangagwa of violating his oath of office. In a course, the principal task and obligation of the state president is to defend, uphold, obey, and respect the Constitution, Biti said, branding the signing of the amendment as constitutional treason and a betrayal of the democratic principles of the 2018 Constitution. It argued that governments rely on the consent of citizens to govern and called for a restoration of the constitutional order through peaceful means. The standoff follows the July 31 demonstrations, which were largely kept off the streets by a heavy security deployment. Opposition politician Jacob Ngarivume, South African activists pursuing international legal avenues over human rights abuses, expressing frustration that regional bodies have failed to hold leaders accountable. Ngarivume added that the Sungano Alliance is preparing its own peaceful actions to counter what campaigners call the 2030 agenda. Constitutional law scholar Labo Maduku described the July 31 mobilization as a success in the minds of citizens despite the heavy police presence. Toma developments abda pangweni pinako section minutes of aim to live on so subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.